welcome back. And if you are new here, I am Rizza, and this is your channel for a productive and sustainable lifestyle. So if you are into productivity, sustainability, and skincare, I upload videos every week. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when a new video is up. So today's video is all about the habits I'm currently doing that changed my life. Physically, emotionally, and mentally. Although di ko pa rin to nagagawa perfectly, lahat. But this really helped me stay productive and stay focused on my goals. First habit is meditation. I have been meditating over a year now. And this seriously has been one of the game changers of my life. Kasi before dati, akala ko yung meditation, parang it weirded me out. Parang feeling ko, being alone with my thoughts is just a weird thing. And yung brain ko kasi talaga sobrang magulo siya. And I found it really hard to focus. But when I started incorporating this habit into my life, grabe talaga. My mind was clearer, my focus really improved, and it really helped my mental health so much. Feeling ko mas organized na yung thoughts ko, and mas calm na rin ako. As you would already know with my other videos, I love journaling because this makes me stay in tune with myself and my thoughts. And I just jot down anything that's on my brain. And usually, di ba nga sabi ko, sobrang cluttered na mood ako. It's a brain dump of everything that's in my head and in my heart. It also helps me process my thoughts more. Third habit is to work out. I love working out. Kapag pinapawisan ako, I love it. Makes me happy. And it also helps me sleep better. Fourth habit is to use my calendar. I'm an ultra forgetful person. And as of now, I have so much in my plate. Meetings, suppliers, employees, potential investors, and I also have schedules with my family and friends, of course, when I date them. And I always make sure, kapag nag-yes ako with someone, I always check my calendar first. And kapag umuo na ako sa isang schedule, I always plot it in my calendar. And I'm currently using Google Calendar and Google Keep and my planner. O, diba? Ang dami. Para sure na nakaplot yung schedule ko. Habit number 5 is to keep track of all your expenses. I do this every day for personal and business use. And the current app I use is Money Lover. By taking note of my expenses, this gives me data kung saan ako sumasobra sa budget, or kung saan ako pwede magbawas kapag meron akong pagkakagastusan, either personally or in business. Sixth habit is to learn something every single day. Although yes, baka feeling nyo nape-pressure kayo, pero ako, I try to read as much as I can, an hour after waking up or an hour before sleeping. And actually, kahit anong media yan eh. Either blogs or vlogs on YouTube, an ebook or a physical book, as long as I'm learning something new every day. Habit number 7 is to wake up early. This is actually one of my self-love habits. I love the solitude in the morning, parang the sound of birds chirping. Alam mo yun, sobrang tahimik kasi wala pang ibang gising. And I use this time to meditate, to journal, and to contemplate about life. Next habit is to drink a lot of water. I am a chronic water drinker. Some of you might already know that. Drinking a lot of water makes your skin and body very well hydrated and glowing. And speaking of skin, the next habit is to baby your skin. Always be mindful of the ingredients that you put into your face and into your body. And I just realized that this was one of the greatest investments na ginawa ko para sa sarili ko. And the last habit I want to share with you is to list at least 5 things you're grateful for every day. This has been very helpful for me to always be in a grateful state. Life happens and hindi naman laging maganda yung mangyayari sa atin. But every single time na merong instance na hindi okay or merong mga nangyaring hindi okay within my day, I just always try to be mindful of my thoughts. And kapag nililista ko yung mga 5 grateful things ko every single day, it makes me feel better. It puts me in a positive disposition and it really helped me a lot. By doing this, it also allows you to look into the tiniest positivity in every situation. Thanks again so much guys for being with me today, and I hope you like this kind of video. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, share this with your friends and family. Sending love and light your way, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Tiniest positivity. Oh, ooh.